Exploring Power BI's AI capabilities for predictive analytics. Predictive analytics uses historical data to forecast future outcomes. It is a forward-looking approach. It uses statistical algorithms and machine learning to find patterns and predict trends. Predictive analytics has existed for decades, but Power BI's AI integration makes it easier for users without data science skills to use. Power BI uses AI models in its framework. This helps users predict future behaviors, customer trends, and market demands. It drives better business decisions. Introduction to AI features in Power BI. Power BI has several AI features. They improve predictive analytics. They include AI visuals, Azure ML integration, and using ML models in Power BI reports. Leveraging AI visuals for predictive analytics. Analyze causal relationships. AI visuals help users find the key variables that affect outcomes. A sales team could use the key influencers visual. It would show which factors most affect sales. Using AI-driven forecasting models. Sales forecasting. AI forecasting predicts future sales based on past data. It helps businesses adjust their strategies. Inventory management. Retailers can use forecasting models to predict stock levels. They can then adjust their supply chains to avoid overstocking. This will ensure they meet future demand. Azure Machine Learning integration. Power BI's link to Azure Machine Learning gives advanced users new ways to predict trends. Azure Machine Learning is a powerful platform. It lets businesses create, train, and deploy custom machine learning models. Best practices for using Power BI's AI features. Use AI visuals for exploration. Start with AI visuals, like key influencers and the decomposition tree. They can help you explore patterns and relationships in your data. Use Azure Machine Learning for custom needs. If your business has complex predictive needs, integrate Azure ML with Power BI to build custom models. Conclusion. In conclusion, Power BI's AI features enable easy, powerful predictive analytics. Power BI helps businesses forecast trends and make decisions. It has built-in visuals that simplify complex data. It also has advanced machine learning integrations through Azure. AI-enabled features let companies do more than analyze the past.